Well, with families gathered at home for the holidays this year, a meal together reminds us just how important family is. And it's also an occasion to lift spirits while celebrating good health and being together. That's why joining us is celebrity chef Jamie Gwen to show us how to create a warm family gathering with good food and, of course, good drinks. Chef?
Sabrina, thank you for having me. Happy almost Thanksgiving to you. Yes, holiday gatherings are definitely erring on the smaller side this year, and I know you're hosting. So I have brought to you a deep dive into some really wonderful recipes and an opportunity to use seasonal ingredients, which I think is really what this year lends itself to. So I've partnered with Palm, and I've made these wonderful Palm caramelized onion tartlets. Now, Palm Wonderful makes pomegranate arrows fresh that are available now through January, and they add that delicious, brilliant ruby red pop of color and a sweet burst of flavor. They come in an 8-ounce convenient package, great for cooking and baking, but there's also a 100-calorie 4-ounce single serving for easy snacking. And they come straight from fresh pomegranates. Palms give you that healthy burst of antioxidants and fiber. I add them to everything. So whether it's salads or as a garnish like this, they really do add beautiful color. So consider using them for your holiday feasts. I love them. Now, here's my best idea to elevate the perfect weeknight dinner Sunday roast chicken, right? I use a favorite pantry staple, Lee Kum Kee sauces. Now, they are the leading maker of Asian sauces for over a century, and it brings that unexpected twist to traditional recipes. So this is my glaze using Panda brand oyster flavored sauce by Lee Kum Kee. It's actually the #1 oyster sauce in the US. It's an all-purpose seasoning sauce. It's great for glazing holiday meats. You can use it as a dip or a marinade, a sauce for stir fries. And here's the best part about this, Sabrina. I used a store-bought rotisserie chicken and glazed with my oyster sauce glaze for an easy, exceptional weeknight dinner. This makes you a culinary hero, really.
I love that tip. I mean, anybody can go grab that rotisserie chicken and just spice it up a little bit and make, steal the show, honestly, with that tip. I love that. And now, also, let's not delay the inevitable. I mean, gatherings are going to be smaller this year. I know my gathering is only 4 people. Yeah. So how can we make these small gatherings even better?
Sure. I think that you want to consider, of course, how many people you're serving, but you want to have recipes and dishes that run the gamut. And it wouldn't be complete without a sweet ending, right? So I have a crazy sweet tooth, but I've taken a healthier twist this year. You are going to love my vegan pumpkin crumb cake. So I swapped out traditional dairy butter with Califia Farms plant butter. It's a dairy-free spread made with high-quality whole food ingredients, cashews and tiger nuts, no canola or palm oil. The butters bake, cook, and melt beautifully. I also used Califia Farms protein oat milk, which is a creamy, better-for-you, nutritionally superior substitute for dairy milk. It's a lower sugar protein-packed milk with 45% of the daily value of calcium and 8 grams of protein. And no meal is complete, no matter how large or small, without dessert. Then you can gild the lily, of course, Sabrina, because winter to me just screams hot chocolate, and you have to see this. So I love hot chocolate. I mean, grown-ups and kids alike, right? I make mine using the Capresso Froth Select. So this is an automatic milk frother. It has a premium dishwasher-safe stainless steel pitcher. You just add the chocolate chips or the chunks directly into the pitcher during frothing. And you can use any kind of chocolate chip or peppermint or peanut butter or white chocolate chips. It also froths milk hot or cold for cappuccinos and lattes and flat whites. It's really brilliant. So I say cheers to hot chocolate this season, right? And I've shared the recipes, of course, because I want you to be a culinary hero at dailylounge.com.
Awesome. Chef Gwen, those tips are going to help me and my first Thanksgiving, so I really appreciate that.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thank you for having me on. A delicious feast to you. I know it'll be brilliant.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Chef Gwen.